Hi, I'm Chef Darcy, and we're talking about peeling an onion. So the first thing about peeling an onion is actually about knowing the anatomy of an onion. You know, this is the top, this is where the green part was coming out of the ground, and down here, this is the root end. This is where it was sticking, you know, deep into the soil, okay? So when we want to peel this onion, what we always do first is actually just trim the top and bottom of the onion off. So the top, and then we turn it around to the bottom, just slicing that off. So now we've got it nice and flat sitting on our cutting board. And the way we want to cut this to peel it is directly through the middle, just like that. So we have two sides, two halves that are exactly the same. And then we just take our thumb and just tuck it under the first layer that peels off. And we just take it off just like that, and we have our peeled onion. And now we're ready to cut. For recipes and class information, check out acoblueflamekitchen.com.